If your Stripe verification failed, it can block payouts and prevent you from using your account fully. Yeah, this usually happens because of incorrect personal or business info, document issues, or mismatched details. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix Stripe verification failures fast. First, check the exact reason Stripe provided for the verification failure. It could be ID mismatch, missing documents, or unsupported document types. Make sure your name, date of birth, business name, and tax info exactly match your official documents. Even small differences can cause verification to fail. Submit clear and valid documents. This could be a government ID, utility bill, or business registration, depending on what Stripe requests. Make sure your uploads are clear, unexpired, and in a supported format like PDF, JPG, or PNG. Blurry or cropped documents can be rejected. After updating your info and documents, resubmit the verification request. Stripe usually reviews it within 24 to 48 hours. If verification still fails, contact Stripe support. They can clarify what's wrong and guide you to get verified quickly. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe verification failures so you can resume accepting payments and receiving payouts. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.